Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a very special fruit. So guys can see those fruit that is here. This is fresh guava. This is guava. Here is cucumber. Can see they are very fresh. The guava just plug it for the tree. So if you know, guava is very good in the body, and cucumber, as these two fruits is very necessary for us, because if you overfeed yourself, the only thing you do, you eat guava or cucumber to help you to digest your food, to digest the food that you eat. So I would advise you guys, always have cucumber at home and fresh guava. This is the season of guava. If you go to the market now, you see it everywhere. So, and it's not too cost. It's very cheap. Like this little one that I bought, it's just 100 naira. Even the cucumber is very cheap also. This two cucumber is 100 naira. So the plate of fruit that you guys are seeing now is just 200 naira that I used to bought them. It's a very cheap fruit. So I advise you guys to have it you are at home, so that anytime you eat, especially in the night, when you overfeed yourself, you can pick some of them. You can pick cucumber or guava and eat it. After you eat it, it will help you to digest the food. So you can see this one is very ripe. See some green, but it's good. It's not that it's not ripe. It's ripe. This is the color of it. It's good. As you see it like this, it's good. We have two different color. You have ripe one that the back is very ripe, and we have green one that is not, the back is not ripe, but it's good. It's not that if you bite it now, can see this white one, can see and it's very sweet. As you see it like this, it's very sweet. Wow, can't wait to finish it. So I advise you guys to go to the market and pick some side market and keep in your fridge. Be picking it and eat. This cucumber is very good in the body, to help your skin to be fresh, and again it work like magic. So if you are eating cucumber every day, you won't have pimples, and your skin will be very fresh. You like yourself, to help you digest the food you eat, and it will help you to flat your tummy also. If you are eating it every time, to help you flat your tummy. So if you have big tummy, I advise you guys to be eating cucumber, to help you to flat your tummy if you are eating it every time. So these two fruit that you guys see is very good in the body. So I advise you to buy it. Go to the market and buy it. Pick some in the market and keep in your fridge. You'll be picking it sometimes and eat to help you. And no, fruit is very good in the body. When you eating fruit always, you see the difference. You look young, your skin will be fresh, and you won't have all this stomach pain and all those malaria or something like that, like fever. You won't have it, you won't complain it if you are eating fruit always. So that is all for fresh fruit, guava and cucumber. So let me quickly end the video, then I'll face my cucumber and guava and eat. Can see this one red. I'll see this one. And if you get it from the market, when you bring it at home, make sure you wash it very well. Add a little salt inside the water and pour the fruit and wash it very well, because you don't know some hand that touch it. So wash it very well before you eat it. Like this one now, I've already washed it with salt. I wash it, is very clean, so you can eat it with the back, no problem, because it's proper wash. You can see this one and see this one also. This is white guava, and this, you can see how this one ripe and this one is white. So you have two different color. So that is all for guava and cucumber. Please, thanks for watching. If you like this my video, please don't forget to drop your comment and share it and subscribe to me. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.